Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. I definitely would not do that to you guys. So basically what we're doing now is, you guys watched a video about a month ago of a house that got excavated. Inspections have all passed on the foundation that got poured. Last final inspection is actually happening today. I know that I'm going to be using the 8-ton on that, an 8-ton, and then I got to call and rent a packer. Not like we have a drum roller, but we normally rent out little diesel plate packers like 750 or 1100s. So let's go to the yard and let's hook up some stuff, fire up the rig. Some of the difficulties as we're walking over here to fire up the big rig, some of the difficulties right now with work, essentially, you know, obviously financially things are kind of tough right now. I'm not saying, like, it's always hard to say this without sounding like, oh, poor me. Like, we're good, I'm gonna be fine. I just have to adjust different things with the business. So you guys are gonna see me actually out on site doing more work, which probably isn't a bad thing. But like, for instance, the float. I'm gonna be doing the floating. We're gonna be, for this backfill job, baby. Okay, so what I ended up doing was bringing the truck home because I got water and everything here. So I figured, well, let's just clean it here. So the rig's at home and we're gonna shine her up. Let's do it. See you walking past me down and I was just about to start doing the rims, and it looks like I have no idea how that happened. Just started gushing blood. All right, let's try some of this stuff. Cool. It turned out really well. The shine off it. Nice. Awesome. But we can take it back to the yard now and hook it up to the float and load up the 308. Let's do that. Wow. No way. Don't stop, baby. All right, let's see if I can get this first shot. All right, 308 is loaded. Al's wrapping some wire on there. I gotta keep my distance. Al, you staying super safe today? Okay. Oh, baby. And a lot of you guys were asking about chrome caps and the hubcaps. I have them. They're ready to go on. I just need to, after tomorrow, retorque the wheels, and then I'll put the chrome and everything on. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But everything here is ready to rock. It looks beautiful. First pull with the truck tomorrow. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning. So happy that this got all cleaned. All right, it's the next morning. We are in for a beautiful day today, and it's actually gonna be warm enough. I think we're gonna get up to 10 degrees. That's how lucky we are. 10 degrees, everybody. Hello, baby. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Okay, we made it to site. We got the truck there. We're unloaded. I'm leaving it with me today because the job that we're doing right now isn't so super crazy. So what I got to do is start here. I'm going to flatten all this out. And basically what needs to be done, we have generator running because like I was saying you guys yesterday, we got water here, as you guys can see. So this back section here, this back portion, needs to be backfilled with that material. This is the footing of the foundation. So they need this flat and level and built back up so that they can come in and pour the walls that'll be above my head. So we're gonna get in the shovel and get things started. Let's do it. And there's Brad. Hi, Brad. Stay 6 feet away. Oh yeah, baby.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it
So we've been going for a while here now, and basically what we're doing is taking the pile that Dad actually is in the dump truck today, which is hilarious. And I lost a GoPro battery, which sucks too, but I'll flip it around and show you guys what we're doing here. Truck's coming in, it's dropping off gravel right here for us. Problem is, we actually are packing this in foot lifts. There's Brad there packing. So basically we had an existing load here. We brought it in, dumped it in a foot thick. Brad packed it all. Now I'm taking the second load, bringing it in, and we're packing that. I'm thinking one more load, definitely, but I think now's a good time to remind you that 52.7, now we were at 40, now it's 52. 52.7% of you guys aren't subscribed. If you can help me out, show some support, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate that very much, but we're gonna keep plugging away here. I'm loving being in a 308. I'm not normally in it, and it's a really nice machine. Really, really nice. I just gotta work on getting myself level with it. But I've had a lot of coffee, gotta keep going. Let's do it. Woo!
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, rip it apart. We're letting go, rip it apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too.
All right, major problem with GoPro batteries today. Hucking through the bush right now. I'm gonna show you guys the best part about driving the float to work. Oh yeah. Wide load, baby. I just go like this. Oh, well, this is the best part about driving the rig to work. You know how many people messaged me and said, take the sleeper off, take the sleeper off. Then I can't sleep at work. Okay. Quick power nap, time to get back at her. Time to get back at her. Let's get back at her and just give her. for the worst part of the day. Cleaning out these. All right, let's truck, baby. And we're back. So the job went awesome. We completed up the job you guys saw in that last time lapse. That was me coming up. Everything worked out perfectly. Customer was super happy. That's the main thing. I also want to stress enough that there's a lot of discussion and talk right now going on with essential businesses and non-essential businesses. That project was a project that we actually started last year, so we were allowed to complete it. I'm hearing now that the government isn't allowing us to start any new projects. This is both troubling and challenging for the business, as I said at the beginning of the video. But again, I don't want to sit here and I don't want to sit here and try to make it sound like I'm, struggling. It sucks. Like, yes, it sucks, and yes, it's hard on the business financially right now, but there are people that are in worse spots than me. There's people that have families and they lost their jobs and depend on their income. Now they don't have that income. So I feel for the people like that. I don't want you guys to get the wrong image. I'm staying positive. I'm staying all good. Hopefully you guys are too. We're all done with that job. We're moving on to something else right now. I always get a lot of questions about merchandise and I never push it. But the link for all kind of merchandise that you can buy is in the description down below. I don't push that sort of stuff because I'd rather you guys subscribe and I don't want to charge you guys anything to watch the channel. Once again, I'll say it again. I'm hoping you guys are staying positive and staying healthy and safe. Have an awesome Friday and make sure to check back in for the next video. Take care. And no, of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, sloppy mess. Why sloppy mess? Well, if you guys watched that video and you saw the part of me in the cab, then you guys would know that that was a big sloppy mess. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below sloppy mess. I appreciate you guys. Take care and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good weekend.